Hey Ronald, it's Mrs. King. I noticed that you were having some trouble with some of the Quill activities, and I just wanted to go over that with you. So you'll see I have my pink cursor on the screen, and the first activity I wanted to look at with you, because you were working on that yesterday, was Activity 56, Articles with Objects and Questions. So please read the directions carefully. They're up here before you start answering the questions, okay? So put a or an before a person or a thing. You see the woman is teacher or the woman is a teacher. Then you write, you need to figure out which one is correct. Should you say teacher or a teacher? Then the answer would be the woman is a teacher. So on this example, which would be the first one for activity 56, you would say, are you waiter or a waiter? So then the directions say, rewrite the full question with one of the underlined options. So for this one here, I'm going to say, are you a waiter? Okay, because that's how I would answer it. So then I'm going to move on. I push, and it tells me that I'm correct. So if you're getting a message that you haven't answered it correctly, you need to read that, all right, before you go on to the next screen. So let's do another one. I'm going to move on to the next question. And now I see, I'm going to read the instructions. Do not put a, an, or the before a single describing word. So he is happy or he is a happy. I would never say he is a happy. I should say he is happy. So then it asks a question. Rewrite the full question with one of the underlined options. So am I going to put sick or a sick? I put the answer here. Am I sick? That's the answer. All right. And then I get my feedback. It tells me I'm correct. I'm going to do one more for you, and then I'll post this video so you can take a look at it. Next question. I read the directions. Put a or and before a person or a thing. The woman is teacher or a teacher. I write, the woman is a teacher. Okay. So then the question is asking me, is he lawyer or a lawyer? Rewrite the full question with one of the underlined options. I'm going to make the wrong answer just so you can see what happens. Is he lawyer? I get my feedback. It says, no, I'm not right. Okay. Put a before a person or thing. So I'm going to fix it now. I'm going to put my cursor here. Is he a lawyer? I get my feedback and I'm correct and I can move on. All right, I'm going to post this video for you. I hope you take a look at it and this helps you with some of the questions because I noticed that you're not quite getting all the concepts that I want you to get in this activity. Okay, if you have any questions or anything, just you can send me a message or send me an email. Hope you're having a great day. Bye, Ronald.